Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Spring Airsoft is probably one of the most exciting and accessible ways to get into the world of airsoft, offering a fantastic blend of affordability and performance that makes it a top choice for both newcomers and seasoned players looking for a reliable sidearm or a budget-friendly primary. These replicas, powered by a simple yet effective spring mechanism, deliver consistent shots without the need for batteries or gas, ensuring you're always ready for action whether you're engaging in backyard skirmishes or participating in more organized field games, providing a satisfying tactile experience with every pull of the trigger. Number 5. Umarex HKP 36mm BB Airsoft Pistol. Introducing the Umarex HKP 30 Airsoft Pistol. This realistic replica offers a metal slide and a 15-shot capacity for extended play. It features a built-in hop-up system, allowing for longer times between reloads and improved accuracy. This airsoft gun shoots 6mm plastic BBs at impressive speeds of up to 240 feet per second. Included with your purchase are 406mm plastic airsoft BBs, so you can start playing right away. Measuring 7.25 inches in length, it provides a comfortable and authentic feel in your hand. What we like. This pistol features a built-in hop-up system for improved accuracy and a metal slide for a realistic feel. It also comes with a generous supply of BBs to get you started right away. If you're looking for a reliable sidearm with a solid construction and the convenience of an all-in-one package, this is a great choice for casual skirmishes or target practice. What people say. The slide is metal, making it a little heavier and more durable than other ones like it. Accurate replica, metal slide, smooth action, nice trigger, shoots best with .20 BBs, 100% hit rate at 50 feet on human-sized target. Can get hits out to 85 feet, albeit with less consistency. The metal slide has a nice smooth finish, and with the weight this gun feels good in your hand. Racking the slide is always an enjoyable experience, smooth action and strong springs make for a satisfying clink as the slide slams forward. Features an open ejection port and slide lock, in my opinion a requirement for any decent spring pistol, both look and function great. Number 4. Game Face ASG M47 VooDoo Airsoft Shotgun. Introducing the Game Face ASG M47 VooDoo, a spring-powered, single-shot airsoft rifle designed for precision and power. Experience realistic pump-action gameplay with every shot. Its pump-action design allows for rapid follow-up shots, and it comes with a 19-round magazine. You can send 6mm airsoft BBs flying at speeds up to 390 feet per second. Adapted to your playstyle with its adjustable stock and integrated Picatinny rails. This allows for easy attachment of accessories to enhance your tactical advantage. Achieve greater accuracy with the adjustable hop-up system. Fine-tune your shots for optimal performance in any airsoft engagement. This airsoft shotgun comes complete with a detachable sling and sling mounts. Everything you need to get started right out of the box. Dominate the field and immerse yourself in the action. With Game Face, you're not just playing the game, you are the game. What we like. Experience the satisfying pump action of this airsoft shotgun, delivering high-velocity BBs for an engaging shooting experience. Its customizable rails allow you to adapt it to your playstyle. If you enjoy the tactile feel of a pump action and want a versatile rifle that can be outfitted with accessories, this is perfect for you, especially for those who like a more immersive and tactical setup. What people say. This thing is awesome. Probably one of the best shotguns I have had the entirety of playing airsoft, considering quality, accuracy, durability, anything pretty much, you name it. This does it all. This is a highly recommended gun for beginners. It is very lightweight and easy to move around with. It's not very accurate from long range, but within 15 yards it's great. I have had a great experience with this gun. It's easy to pump and has no kick when shot. I have not experienced any jams or breaks. Not saying it's very durable, but I have dropped it before and it has survived with no problem. First thing to note is, it hits hard. Sure, it might be one BB at a time, but that's all you really need. Second, it has an adjustable hop-up, so you can give the BBs more or less spin. Number 3. SIG Sauer SIG-1 MPX Airsoft Rifle Kit. Introducing the SIG-1 MPX Airsoft Rifle Kit, a faithful replica of the iconic submachine gun. Experience realistic looks and exciting performance for endless fun. Enjoy longer play with its innovative magazine system. It features a 26-round drop-free magazine and a 500-round reservoir for extended shooting sessions before needing a reload. Designed for ultimate performance and comfort. The adjustable 3-position stock ensures a perfect fit for various users, making it great for both experienced shooters and supervised beginners. Enhance your accuracy with versatile aiming options. It includes flip-up sights and a full-length Picatinny rail for optics, plus accessory rails for further customization. Built for durability and realism. Its injection-molded polymer construction and ambidextrous safety mimic the original firearms operation for an authentic experience. What we like. This rifle boasts an impressive 500-round reservoir, meaning significantly less time spent reloading and more time on the field. The adjustable stock ensures a comfortable fit for various users, and the full-length optics rail is ready for your favorite sights. If you prioritize sustained firing and a customizable shooting platform, this is an excellent option for extended play sessions and for those who want to fine-tune their aiming setup. What people say. 1:1 scale, beefy, looks real, aside from orange safety tip, and after disassembling it the plastic is twice as thick and reinforced as most airsoft guns. Same price range, way heavier plastic. It's also not the same plastic. That super soft cheap slick waxy plastic everything else was made of, recycled ABS I'm assuming, is pretty brittle and easy to cut with a knife. Whatever this stuff is so hard, it's actually difficult to hand sand. It just does not wear down with sandpaper. It may be glass reinforced nylon like they use in real polymer guns, I don't know, but it's tough as hell. This is a great little SMG-style single-shot airsoft rifle. Body feels sturdy and well-made, metal inner barrel, extendable stock, fold-down iron sights. Shoots far and fast, haven't had any issues, and looks super realistic cool. It has real Picatinny rails so you mount sights and also attach it to a sling with the built-in holes. The magazine holds a lot of BBS and has a feature to quickly reload if you pull the spring down and flip the mag upside down. Number 2. Game Face Spring-Powered Airsoft Rifle and Pistol Set. Unleash the power with this spring-powered, single-shot airsoft rifle. It boasts a massive 400-round capacity and impressive speeds of up to 350 feet per second. For closer encounters, this spring-powered, single-shot airsoft pistol is your go-to. It features a 14-round clip and can reach speeds of up to 200 feet per second. Built to last, both of these airsoft guns feature an all-weather synthetic design. They are ready to perform no matter the conditions. Get started right away with the included 1000 count of 6mm airsoft BBs. You'll have plenty of ammunition for extended play. Carry your gear with ease thanks to the included synthetic black holster. It allows you to comfortably take both airsoft guns onto the field. Dominate the competition and truly become the game. Experience the thrill and excitement with Game Face. What we like. Get incredible value with this package that includes both a high-speed rifle and a pistol, plus a convenient holster to carry them. The rifle offers impressive velocity for its class, making it a formidable tool. If you're looking for a comprehensive starter kit or want to have multiple options for different airsoft scenarios without breaking the bank, this dual-threat set is an outstanding deal. What people say. They're weak enough to target practice inside but powerful enough to puncture printer paper targets, and leave welts on skin through jeans from 20 feet away. Both the pistol and the rifle work perfectly and the single-shot spring mechanisms are great because we don't have to worry about batteries or CO2 cartridges. The rifle is awesome. It shoots really far and fairly accurately for a spring-loaded gun. Although the gun is made of plastic, it is really sturdy and doesn't feel like it will fall apart. Number 1. Desert Eagle Spring Airsoft Pistol. Experience impressive power with velocities ranging from 170 to 220 feet per second. This airsoft pistol fires standard 6mm ammunition, delivering a satisfying impact. Forget about gas or batteries. Its spring piston mechanism ensures effortless operation every time. Just cock and shoot for reliable performance. Crafted from high-strength ABS polymer, it offers a realistic weight and feel. The serrated slide and on-frame safety provide enhanced control and security during use. Spend more time shooting and less time reloading. The detachable magazine holds a generous 190 rounds, keeping the action going. With over 20 years in the industry, we are dedicated to providing top-quality airsoft equipment. Our commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction is unmatched. What we like. This pistol offers a high-capacity magazine for extended shooting sessions and a realistic feel thanks to its durable polymer construction. Being spring-powered means no need for gas or batteries, ensuring reliable operation. If you desire a dependable, easy-to-use airsoft pistol that mimics the look and feel of a real firearm for training or recreational use, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. Looks like a deagle, seems to be, and others have stated, same size as a deagle. Pretty accurate. I'm not a huge airsoft person, but shooting at trees about 100 feet away, it's pretty accurate. The fact that it's spring-loaded means one more expense removed, that you don't have to buy C02. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.